Hello ladies and gentlemen, I forgot it's another video for your amusement. I bought me that lock. It's all weather, black spurs, brilliant lock I thought, but it's the biggest crap you can buy. I swear. One, it's open. It's the biggest crap. I thought that is very good and difficult to pick. Yeah. Don't waste your money. So that is number one. Number two is I had it's open already. The small ones. I bought me this kit. That is such a beginner kit. And I thought, why shall I invest in a tool or make some that must be sufficient to open that small lock. I needed 2 months to get onto that. So what you need is the smallest one of your, there's a small one, but the middle one is enough, sufficient. You put that in. Yeah, you put that in. And then you need that rake. Show you, is that enough? Can you see that properly here? That long rake with all these bits and pieces. You put that rake in, wiggle a bit, and go on. You release the torque wrench completely. And then you pull that rake out to a certain point, and normally it opens then. And I don't know why that works. You see that? The rake is on top of the torque wrench. You release the pressure, you go up with that rake, and then you can actually, I don't know if that is still working. Right? No, I have to start again. Yeah, you put that rake in, you put a bit of pressure on, you release that pressure, and you go with the rake on top of the torque wrench and put it out a bit. Should be enough to a certain point. And then you should be able to open that. A bit more. Come on. It's not working now. I don't know why. Some show effect. But this is how I got onto that little lock. I take now a little one, a little wrench. I try that now, the smallest. You need to go in with the rake. You release, after you release that pressure, and you pull the rake out to a certain point. And then it should work out. Yep. You see that? You go on top of the wrench and then pull that wrench out. It is out about that far. So normally it's in, and then you need to get that out till you see the first, like this. It is in, and then you pull that out on top of that torque wrench. I don't know why that works like that, but that is how I got that open. And it works all the time. If it doesn't work straight away, you just need to be able to go in with that torque wrench, put pressure on it. You go in with the rake, wiggle, and then you go straight up on top of the wrench. And then pull that rake out till you see the half of the first. I show that closely now. Can you see that? No. Turn it round. Can you see that? Till you see that half of, till you see that first sack. And then it opens. I don't know how that works. Thank you for watching. It's my new hobby. I bought me this one with such a key, and I don't want to use it special without spring, 4 pounds. I don't want to use a special, that funny Chinese thing with the screws. I want to try that with the locking pick set I bought, and I must be able to do that, but that needs me about 2 months, I expect. Thank you for watching. Have a nice sunny day. It's already sunny. Bye.